This is my Minsk 125. This one was originally badged as a Motobeno, but it's to all intents and purposes the same as a Minsk 125. It does have the low mudguard at the front in the old style. I had one of these as my first motorbike and I wanted another one, so I got this as effectively a collection of parts, and I've rebuilt it. So it's had the engine reboard, new bearings throughout. It still needs a bit of work. The wheels are a bit tatty. The flashers are non-standard ones because the ones that came with it were too far gone. They were absolutely rotten. I also had to replace the left-hand switch gear because the Bakelite components in it were broken, and I had to replace the ignition switch because I have wired it differently with a generic Chinese electronic ignition for a bit more reliability. I've also just recently fitted this exhaust, which is designed for an MZ125, which has the same bore and stroke as this, so the pressure wave dynamics should be the same. We'll go for a wee ride on it. Fuel on. This is a Tickler carb.